Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to talk about how you can log into Udemy in 2025. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Udemy platform where we can purchase any course. Like here you can see these are the course available, so you can purchase this course for your skill development. So I don't have any account yet, so I will create an account, then I will log it out and again log into here. So I'll give my name, then I will provide my Gmail address over that place. So I will go to my mailbox and I'll copy the mail from that place because I don't remember the code of the address. Then I will click the continue with email and they will provide us the 6-digit here. So here you will get this 6-digit. You just need to copy that one and then go to the 6-digit and click to the sign up. Once you click it up, then the account creation I hope been done. So actually here you can see, and they're asking you what field are you learning of. So I can say I am an software development, I am a business operations. No, not yet. I would go with this one. Do you current manage people? No. And then I will click to the next. Once I click over here to the next, they will lay down us in the second step where they will ask which occupation are you learning for. So I can say that I am an WordPress developer. Then I'll click to the next and then it will be complete. So which skill are you interested in? I will say that WordPress and then it sign up. Then I'll click to the CSS, then ChatGPT, WordPress plugin, all of them I will select the skills over here and then I'll click to the start learning. Once I click over here, it already been done. Then we are landed in our account. So here actually you can see we already created our account. So I can see there is an account of our profile account. So I will log out here, just click over here and then I will click to the login and then I will again log in here. Just click to the login and then I will copy my mail address here. I will click to the continue with the code and they will send us the code. This is the newest method that they provide verification code all the time. Just click to the login and you will be logged in this way. I hope you understand how easy the process was to log into Udemy in this updated way. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.